Paris Fury has shown off her incredible post-baby body just 7 months after welcoming daughter Athena. The mom of 6, who shares her large brood with husband and boxer Tyson, 33, showed off her stomach in a crop top and leggings. 4. Paris showed off her figure in skin-tight leggingsCredit, splash. 4. The star stripped down to the sports set for runCredit, splash. Paris, 32, wore a tight-fitting matching blue workout set as she was seen out running with a friend in the spring sunshine. Tying her multicolored hoodie around her waist, the new mom showed off her toned middle and her curves as she smiled for the cameras. Going makeup-free, Paris, who welcomed baby girl Athena in August, pulled her blonde locks into a messy bun for the outing. Revealing her abs with the small crop top, she and her pal could be seen running about town nearby to their family home. The Fury family endured a nightmare 2 weeks after Athena was born on August 8 as the little one was placed into an intensive care unit. Paris and Tyson were finally able to bring their 6th child home on August 20 and the family of 8 were reunited after a stressful ordeal. Last year, Paris recalled the horrifying moment her baby daughter was left dying in her arms following the difficult birth. She revealed that the 2-month-old was born with a fast heartbeat of 300 beats a minute, the norm is around 120 bpm. Paris said medics tried to slow it down but the loose women panelist said it caused a load of other complications and she was transferred from the Royal Lancaster Infirmary to Alderhay Children's Hospital. Speaking to OK! Magazine, she explained, "We went over there and they sedated her and put her on an incubation, where they put a tube down her throat to breathe. They put her on tablets to slow her heart down and when they took her off the tube, they thought it was going to be normal. But I think the accumulation of sedatives, painkillers, beta blockers for her heart and everything was just too much. She was in my arms and she stopped breathing and became completely unresponsive. Her heart rate was fading away, she was dying in my arms. They took her off me, put her on the table and resuscitated her. Tyson came running in. It was horrific. They managed to get her heart going and everything stabilized." Tyson has since set up a GoFundMe page for the hospital that saved their daughter, raising nearly £50,000 to date. Athena is their 3rd daughter, following older sisters Venezuela, 11, and Valencia Amber, 3. The couple also have 3 boys, Prince John James, 8, Prince Tyson II, 4, and 2-year-old Prince Adonis Amazia. In 2014, they tragically lost a baby when Paris was 6 months pregnant, and she was forced to endure a stillbirth. 4. Paris looked to be working hard to get her pre-baby body back credit, splash. 4. Paris was joined by a friend as she headed out for runCredit, splash.